Hey friends, it's Sarah back at you here from Vibrant Travelers, and I am back with another edition of things that I would never travel without. Now, given that I am a person who loves to drink wine, I buy bottles of wine along the way, sometimes when I travel, and it's super annoying when I can't get the bottle open because I don't have a corkscrew. You can't always count on the hotels to have them. So I always travel with, this is a waiter's corkscrew. And this is a really wonderful tool. This particular one is from Bainbridge Vineyards, a woman-owned winery here in Washington State. You can't put this in your carry-on or in your purse though, so you have to put this only in checked luggage. So be careful. I had one of my favorites taken away in France once. The other thing I always bring with me in my suitcase, doesn't take up a lot of space, is a champagne top stopper. So whether I buy a bottle of Prosecco or champagne along the way and can't drink the whole thing, I know that I have something to close it up with to be able to consume more the next day. And again, this is from Kramer Vineyards, which is a women-owned winery in Oregon. So those are my two favorite wine accessories that I definitely never travel without. Happy travels.